My name is Rory Baldry. I'm one of the owners of ThrottleWorks here in Boise, Idaho. My dad was always into cars when I was young, and I kind of got the interest then. Built my first car when I was 14, and started my first automotive business when I was 18, and that's all I've ever done. You know, we work on everything from 40 Chevy pickups all the way to new Ferraris and everything in between. Our preference, or most of our guys' interests, are road racing and any kind of racing. We have lots of customers that have a lot of street cars though. As far back as I can remember, the first airlift product I put on my 1991 crew cab dually Ford pickup, and have been using them on and off since then. In air suspension itself, when I had my dually, I was looking to slam it on the ground for looks, and that's kind of what I got started on. Then obviously it's become extremely popular for everybody. Oh, airlift product I saw first at SEMA in the 90s. What we like is a couple things. Is in our business, customer service is almost more important than the product. And every time we've ever had a question, they've been fantastic. And over and above that, their product is really nicely made and really well engineered. Helps installation process, and that makes a big difference for our customers. We've always been really pleased with it. No, nothing but good feedback as far as their product and like I said, their company and their customer service. I do not have one on personally. The last one I actually had was all the way back when I had my Ford. However, I would like to have one on my 850 BMW. The Ford we were using for a tow vehicle, and I wanted something that didn't just look like every other truck that was towing a race car trailer. And so it was slammed on the ground and had bags and looked fantastic. I miss that truck to this day. Road trips were a blast in that thing. I took a bunch of guys to Moab and went mountain biking in that thing. That was fantastic. It was a lot of fun. I've done a lot of shows in the past. I haven't done as many shows lately just because our interests have gone more towards racing. And I've been doing it for, well, 30 odd years, 32 years on the automotive performance business. Yeah, I have a hard time with the electric side because I'm all about the sound of a car. Hence why I like RB26s, because they literally are the best ever sounding car. Where I'd like it to go, that's a tough call. I'd like it to go more towards something that is a well-balanced car and something you can enjoy all the time. As far as the shop goes, it's a family. We try and hire people that want to be part of the family, and it's awesome. We have some great guys here and really super talented. Our talent level in the last year has just kind of gone through the roof as far as guys with specialty knowledge. And the people, working for people. Being on a racetrack when somebody gets out of a car that just did really well is the best part of being in this business.